The SuperTrend is one of the most popular indicators traders use, which can tell when the market's trend is up or down. But what if I told you that there is an advanced version that is more efficient, accurate, and significantly more profitable? That's right, and in today's episode we are going to analyze it. Hello everyone, my name is ATP and welcome back to another episode of our Testing Indicators series. Today we will explore the Pivot Point SuperTrend, an innovative indicator that combines the power of the pivot points to increase the SuperTrend's accuracy. We will test it across more than 3,000 trades and 10 different assets, and you will discover why this indicator is better than the usual SuperTrend. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. This time, unlike previous episodes, this indicator wasn't suggested by one of our subscribers. Instead, I stumbled upon it while browsing for new indicators on TradingView. As you can see, there is an article that states that the Pivot Point SuperTrend has a 90% win rate, and so I knew we had to put it to the test. So we will dive deep and see how well this indicator performs across different markets like crypto, forex and the stock markets. Firstly, let's start by adding the indicator to our TradingView charts. First, click on Indicators, then type Pivot Point SuperTrend, and you can use this option here, which is also an editor's pick from TradingView, a status given only to the best trading tools. By definition, the Pivot Point SuperTrend is an advanced version of the traditional SuperTrend that leverages pivot points to provide even stronger trend-following signals. With improved accuracy on trend positioning, it's a perfect tool for trend-following strategies. By default, it uses these settings: 2 for the pivot point period, 3 for the ATR factor, and 10 for the ATR length, which will be the ones I will use for today's analysis. This chart indicator is very simple to use because it displays the buy and sell signals directly on your charts, which are quite precise as you can see. Now that we understand how the indicator works, let's move on to the backtest. For our testing, I will follow the same approach as usual. I will define our technical system, risk management rules, and testing conditions. The technical system will include using the Pivot Point SuperTrend in addition with the 200 period exponential moving average to filter out some fake signals. Here you have an example of a long position where the price is above the 200 EMA, and here you have a short trade example where the price is below this baseline. For the risk management, I will insert the ATR bands indicator with a multiplier of 2, which will help us set our stop loss levels based on market volatility. As for the testing conditions, we will backtest the Pivot Point SuperTrend on the 30-minute, 1 hour and daily time frames using data from the last 24 months, so since October 2022 until October 2024, across a diverse asset portfolio including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock. With everything set, let's dive into the backtesting process. While I could go back in time and test everything by hand, as probably all of you will do, I prefer to speed up this process. For that, I'm going to use my premium indicators testing bot, a trading tool that allows me to test dozens of indicators and strategies in seconds and with real results. You can find more information about this tool and how to use it on my new website algotradepro.com, along with a video that explains its features and benefits. Almost 200 traders are using this tool with great feedback, so it's definitely worth checking out. Once we have set all the conditions, including the Pivot Point SuperTrend, the 200 period EMA for baseline and our risk management rules, the trading bot will execute every valid trade on the charts with a respective entry point, stop loss and exit point. Also, you will see the monthly results displayed along with overall statistics for each asset in the Strategy Tester tab. and since I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot executes, which I will use to create my trading journals with all the information about this strategy. I will speed up this part of the video, but feel free to slow it down in the YouTube settings if you want to catch every detail. I will see you in a few seconds. After inserting all the trades into my trading journal, I got an analysis of about 3,680 trades across the 3 different time frames. In the 30-minute one, after more than 2,300 trades, the pivot point SuperTrend got a win rate of 50.86% with a small net profit of 68%. Here we have got some other stats, and in this table you can analyze the results of every single asset, where the Bitcoin and the XRP assets were the most profitable ones. Below we have the final equity curve, which, despite being profitable, was inefficient. Next, in the 1-hour time frame, the results were very similar, because after 1,200 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 51% and a net profit of 38%. Here you can find other important metrics, the results of every asset, and as expected, the equity chart was profitable but with big drawdown periods. Finally, in the daily time frame, after 68 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 39.71% and a net loss of 27%. Overall, based on this backtest, we can see that the pivot point SuperTrend can have good results in some assets, but when analyzing its robustness and adaptability, we can conclude that they are better indicators that can provide better results. Of course, keep in mind that these results are based on the specific conditions and settings I used for this test. If you change the conditions, settings, or even the assets, your results may change. So always test your strategies before putting them into practice. In this series, my objective is to simply test different indicators to discover which ones give us more probability of success. After evaluating the pivot point SuperTrend alongside other indicators in this series, I have decided to place it in this position on our ranking table, which is near the traditional SuperTrend. When comparing the results, we can notice that the pivot point SuperTrend can be better for a shorter time frame, while the traditional SuperTrend can be better for higher time frames. This updated table is also available for free on my website, providing a comprehensive overview of all the indicators tested so far. Simply click on the free content option, scroll down a little bit and click here, where you can find all these details. Also, if you are interested in improving your trading skills or would like to work one-on-one with me, you can explore my services on my website as well. Lastly, I would like to share with you that for trading and investments I use XTB, which offers fantastic advantages like zero commissions up to $100,000 of monthly volumes. All links with more information are in the description as well. And that's it for today's episode. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.